Hello guys! So welcome to my channel, Sir J Math TV. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking YouTube channel, pakihit na ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para laging updated sa aking next video lesson. So our lesson for today is all about the positive integral exponent. If n is positive integer, then x raised to n is equal to x times x times x times x. So n as factor. So the number x is called the base, while the positive integer is called the exponent. The expression is read as x to the nth power, or simply x to the nth. Before going to this lesson, so let's have a review on what we have learned about laws of exponent. Okay, law of exponents. Law number 1, so product of powers. So we have here the x raised to m multiplied by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. Kung mapapansin nyo, mag-multiply tayo with the same base. So we're going to add the exponent. So we have m plus n. So is equal to x raised to m plus n. Example. So we have 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 2 plus 4. Kasi ang galing yung 2. So yung 2, then plus 4. So we have 2 raised to 2 plus 4 is equal to 2 raised to 6. Another. Okay, so we have here x raised to 14 times x raised to 7. So what is the answer? So we have x raised to 7 plus 14. So we have x raised to 21. So another. A raised to 8 times a raised to 13. So we have a raised to 8 plus 13 is equal to a raised to 21. Another. Y raised to 2 times y raised to 4 is equal to y raised to 2 plus 4 is equal to y raised to 6. Okay, next. So let's proceed to law of exponent 2. So power of powers. Ulitin natin sa illustration. So we have x raised to m raised to n. Ibig sabihin, yung exponent naka-raise ng another exponent. So anong ginagawa natin dito? So we're going to multiply the power. So as you can see, so x raised to m raised to n is equal to x raised to m times n. Pinagmumultiply natin yung exponent nila. Okay, so let's proceed to example. So we have 2 raised to 2 raised to 4. So is equal to 2 raised to 2 times 4 is equal to 2 raised to 8. Another. So x raised to 4 raised to 7. So is equal to 2 raised to 4 times 7 is equal to x raised to 28. Multiply lang. 4 times 7, 28. Another. A raised to 9 raised to 11 is equal to a raised to 9 times 11. So we have a raised to 99. And another. B raised to 2 raised to 123. So we have b raised to 246. So let's proceed to law of exponent number 3. So we have the power of products. So we have here in the illustration, so x yz raised to m is equal to x raised to m, y raised to m, z raised to m. So, dinidistribute lang yung exponent dun sa nasa loob ng parenthesis. Another example. So, 2 times 3 raised to 2. So, it's equal to 2. 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to is equal to 4 times 9 equals 36. So, saan galing to? So, we have 2 times 2, 4. Then, 3 times 3 equals 9. So, yung sarili niya, i-multiply niya sa sarili niya. Ibig sabihin ng square. Next. So, we have here xyz raised to 5 is equal to x raised to 5, y raised to 5, and z raised to 5. Distribute lang yung nasa labas, dun sa nasa loob. Another. A square b cube raised to 3. So we have a raised to 6, b raised to 9. 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 3, 9. So another. So we have c raised to 4, d raised to 7, a raised to 12 raised to 4. So ang exponent nito, so we have 4, 7, 12. So raised to 4. So the answer is, so we have the c raised to 16, d 28, and e 48. So we have the quotient of power. So makita yung demonstration natin. So we have x raised to m over n is equal to x raised to m minus n. So pinagma-minus na minus yung nasa numerator ng exponent ng denominator. So kaya nangyari, so we have x raised to m minus n is equal to x raised to m minus n. Example. Ayan. So we have 2 raised to 4 over 2 raised to 2. So we have 2 raised to 4 minus 2. So it's equal to 2 raised to 2 or 4. So times 2 is equal to 4. Another. X raised to 15 over x raised to 9. So we have x raised to 15 minus 9 is equal to x raised to 6. Another. N raised to 24 over n raised to 23. So we have n raised to 24 minus 23. So we have n raised to 1 or equals to n. Another. So we have pq raised to 10 over pq raised to 7 is equal to p raised to 10, q raised to 10 over p raised to 7, q raised to 7 is equal to p raised to 10 minus 7, q raised to 10 minus 7 is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So we have p raised to 3, q raised to 3. So, exponent number 5, power of quotient. So, ulitin natin. So, we have x raised to y raised to m. Anong ginawa is equal to x raised to m over y raised to m. Dinistribute lang yung exponent na sa may labas. Okay, example. So, we have 3 over 2 raised to 4 is equal to 3 raised to 4 over 2 raised to 4. Another. X over y raised to 5. So, is equal to x raised to 5, y raised to 5. Then another. So, 2 over a raised to 6. So, we have 2 over a. Tapos, yung exponent natin. So, we have 6, 2 raised to 6, a raised to 6. And then, so law of exponent. 6. So we have the 0 power. So x raised to 0 is equal to 1.